Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to do another easy, cute hairstyle. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle. And then I'm just going to create a part from ear to ear, and I'm just using the tip of her ear as my guide as to where I want that part to be. And now I'm just going to spray her hair with the spray bottle just a little bit. And then I'm going to detangle her hair. And then I am also using this detangler brush because before I like to get a ponytail in, I do like to use this detangler brush because it does help to smooth out that ponytail. And then I'm just going to use my fine tooth comb just to also help smooth out the ponytail. Notice I'm not combing it all the way through the hair, just enough just to smooth that ponytail out. And then I'm just putting my elastic in, and as you can see, I'm just using 2 elastics so it doesn't break. These elastics are amazing. They don't break. I'll leave them in the description box below, but I do like to use 2 when I'm putting ponytails in, just in case. Now I'm just going to detangle that ponytail again because I'm going to put a cute little twist in. I do like to make sure the hair is all detangled, even though I did just detangle it. But when I do put ponytails in, I'm sure you guys notice as well that the hair does get a little bit tangled. And I do like to detangle it again just so that when I'm putting that braid or that twist in, it does look nice and smooth. And I'm just doing a 3-strand twist. If you guys don't know how to do a 3-strand twist, I do have a step-by-step tutorial. I'll leave that in the description box below for you. It is pretty easy. So here at the end, I'm just making a nice cute little ringlet curl, but I did spray the hair with the spray bottle, and I'm just using my comb to make that curl. If you don't want to make that curl, you can do whatever, but just make sure that you spray the ends with the spray bottle. It's nice and moisturized, just so that the hair doesn't get all frizzy and it's not so dry at the end there. So now I'm going to create another part from ear to ear, again using the tip of her ear as my guide. And yes, I as you can see, I do have these parts already. I did create this hairstyle the day before, and I kept the parts, and now I'm doing it again for a hair tutorial because I've been getting a lot of messages asking me to do some more easy hairstyles, and this one was really easy, really cute, so I thought I would do it. Sekora is going to school right after this hairstyle, so yeah, it just worked out perfect. So now I'm going to create another part back here, and I'm creating a part further to the left. So one part is going to be like a square part, and the next part is going to be like a rectangular part. So that it's not going to be directly in the middle. It's going to be more off to the side. And now I'm just spraying the hair with the spray bottle. I'm going to make sure it's all nice and detangled, and then I'm going to put an elastic in it, and again the 3-strand twist. I'm going to do that on this part, and I'm also going to do it on the other part that I just made. And now I'm just going to create another part here, and I'm creating the part on the opposite side of the part that I made previously, and it's going to be further to the right instead of further to the left. And then again, I'm just going to do the exact same thing with putting the ponytails in and then twist, but I just got to make sure that you detangle the hair, spray it with the spray bottle, and then put those twists in. And now I'm just going to use some of the Blueberry Bliss Control Paste on our edges. I don't use the Blueberry Bliss Control Paste as much as I used to. I did tell you guys in another video that I won't be using it as much, but I did have to use it in this video because the flaxseed gel that I made, it did go bad, so I couldn't use it. But I do still use the Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. I think I did tell you guys in the video that I'm not going to be using it as much, maybe like on picture days and stuff like that, but I do use it a little more than I said that I was. But yeah, I do still use the flaxseed gel a lot on their hair. And I should mention, there was a comment in that video from a chemist or something. This girl was very intelligent. She spoke about the blueberry bliss control paste, and she said it's not as harmful if you'd have to use a whole lot for it to be harmful. And that makes sense. I guess there's a lot of things out there that are safe, but if you take them in moderation, right, or you don't use it a lot. So that's why I feel more comfortable using it a little more than I did say in that video. I really wish I could share that comment with you guys, because I know it'd be so much more helpful and clear of what I'm saying. But of course, YouTube, as you guys must know, YouTube has taken away our comments, people with kids in the videos. Some people have gotten their comments back up. I don't know how, but all I know is right now I can actually go in and improve comments that you make going forward, but all my other comments are gone, which really sucks because it had helped a lot of people out. Anyways, friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.